with a nice view.
With a nice view.
Yeah.
Okay, come I show you one.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Yeah. You don't buy. You think that it's underpriced.
Yeah.
And the thing is, maybe people here don't have the taste that we do, but the view.
But the view that we want, yeah. Look at this one, yeah.
So this is a 40 by 80.
Oh, nice piece of
Yeah, 40 by 80.
Yeah. The food and my garden and stuff.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have a planting truck them and things like that.
You can buy like
So you're talking about $16,000,
this side and that side. 5 mil buy it.
So here you're looking more north, huh?
North, yeah.
And there you'd be looking more.
You need to try on the side of it.
Yeah, family. So, me and our Bantu Jamaican brothers and sisters, we're here. We're land scouting today. Land scouting. So if you're watching this, you want to come on land scout, link up with Jam Tours. We're here. We're showing you, some land. They're cheap.
So this is 40 by 80.
40 by 80.
Right, so you can use this judge.
That, yeah. That not bad. Not bad. 40 by 80.
3-bedroom.
Yeah, family. So,
You have to buy more flat. You have to try to get more flat.
what is your name again?
Or 4 flat.
No, I don't remember when we're going out of
Yeah, family. But we actually, this is a good look at the view that you're seeing here.
Is that right?
Subdivided. Yeah, family. So we're there, and the red Mazda, there's a shot them over show us some land. Seems like there maybe is a.
And as you know, the ground is fertile because you can see corn is there.
Yeah. Look at that one there. Might take up all of the space.
Yeah.
I see somebody here who actually build apartments. Like a little complex.
My house.
Yeah.
What did she say? We're looking for land?
Yeah.
Mentality.
The mentality is like,
Right,
you know
I
what I
like
mean?
that.
It's not like a tear down, it's like build up.
Uplift.
Yeah, uplift. Yeah.
They're very helpful.
Very
Very
also
helpful.
very aggressive business one.
Yeah.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I find that
Yeah.
they're very awesome-minded.
So look at a typical 40 by 80, and you can see, okay, it's not a lot of room,
If
but
you want to
if you
plan.
wanted it like a first house, then
Yeah, first
Right.
house.
You
Yeah.
have something.
Yeah, you have to have something. Yeah. You have to have something to build from.
And the thing is the view, because maybe
Yeah,
a
look
lot
at
of
the
people
view.
here don't honor a view like we would.
No, I like it.
Yeah, everybody in Jamaica want to live on Jack still and Strawberry.
First thing for them is like,
You.
it's a go far.
Yeah.
We say, yo, me buy the spot here for the view.
Yeah, just for the view.
I'm
Yeah.
about the view,
It's all about the view.
View
like,
and location.
A view.
right?
There's another side of it on that
Location is
side.
important.
So she have two flats, huh?
Okay. Yeah, sure.
This one here.
Next one.
One plot.
Okay. You say I should wait until the 10th, right?
You have water.
Yeah, before the 10th. Yeah. All right, family. So we're there. On 2 piece of plot. 40 by 80. So this is a marker.
This one have water.
Oh, this one has water.
Yeah.
Borehole water.
No, borehole.
City council.
You have city council.
Yeah.
Oh.
And electricity.
Yes. It's
To the pole.
Oh, okay, okay.
I mean, no, not 1 million.
So this would be like, let me get my phone.
You have to check it
So
out.
it was like 10 grand.
10
Yeah, 10 grand, yeah, 10 grand. Yeah.
10 grand.
Normal like 15 grand, not 10 grand.
Yeah, you have to
15
check,
grand. About 15
ads.
grand.
So 15 grand.
Yeah, yeah,
Right?
yeah.
That's what
Yeah.
they put in there?
Eh?
Yes, about $15,000. Not bad.
This one I'm selling for green. Let me take you to the other one. You see that smart house there?
Yeah, this one.
Next to that house.
Oh, that's a smart house?
Oh my.
My brother here, he has people that he is advertising to that want to buy a house.
Okay.
So he'll just take a picture and show them.
Yeah.
You don't mind?
Yeah.
And you say it's 3M
Trim.
with water.
Yes.
40 by 8, right?
40,
Yes.
40 by 80, yeah.
Yeah.
40 by 8.
80.
Yeah.
80.
And the other plot is where?
80.
Down this.
80.
Oh, don't
Yeah,
this one.
man.
Okay.
40 by 80.
Yes.
Okay. So who's building this one? You?
Not me.
Uh-huh.
It's for somebody else. You
Okay.
see the beacons are here.
Yeah.
Okay,
You
the
can see
beacons.
it's
Yeah.
From here to the other beacon there.
Okay. Yeah.
They are of this size, as you can see this one. From there up to here. Those are the size.
Okay, so these are two separate.
Yes, this is separate from this one.
Oh, okay, okay.
So she owns another plot down by that house.
Uh-huh.
And this one
Smart
you're
house.
selling for.
Wow, look at this smart house.
And they also have 4
This is a smart house, yeah?
4 of the water. Okay, your water bill or anything like that. You have your own water. Coming from your own clean water. Think about that. You can start your own water company. Water.
Yeah, family. So, you know, we're there in the Kiambu County. Lot of land there, guys. Prime land. Land in nature. You know, it's just you. This is like for 3 million. 2.3 to 4 million. Get something like this. You know what I mean? That's like 25,000 US. There about. So, you know, this is what I got to show you today, family. Eh?
Over 3 million?
Yeah, 3 million is 25,000 US.
It is having a title.
No, that's a lot.
Yes.
That's a lot. The calculation wrong.
It's 25,000.
You think so?
Let's
check it. Let's check
Yeah,
it.
like 20,000 there about. 20 to 25,000.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Let me see. Alright, so you want Kenyan shillings,
Nobody
3
is
million.
between us.
Let me see your phone.
Okay, wait till this ad run off. Wait till the ad run off. Click the ad. Add the
Oh,
zeros.
no, you do that.
Add the
wrong.
zero, add the zero, no, add the zero. That's 3 million, the 21,000
Oh, no, we go
US.
by what the dollar is today.
So that's not what it is today.
No, that's why you're wrong.
No, but that's what it is. The dollar is what?
You have to go by what the dollar is.
So what's the dollar
So
is?
go
It's not gonna make a difference. It's not gonna make a
Google and
difference.
put in.
It's not gonna make a difference.
I mean, you could be right, but let's do it. Let's double check. I want to be exact.
No, man, you don't have to be exact. Just run it up at that. You gotta have liar fees and all that.
Come and sit you to the other one.
Or the other one.
So I want to show the other one.
All right, family, let's go because you know Jam Tours. It's time to buy land here and start build the house for the family. So let's go.
And I'm telling you, there is nobody between us. It's my plot.
Okay, it's your plot. Okay. All right, family, let's go. Let me turn. Let's go. Yeah, family. So this is another land. This lady showing us in that red car. And as you can see now, this is a smart home they're building here. Solar, everything. Right, that's all. Yeah. Yeah, family. So this is it, guys. This is the dream. This is the life in Africa. You know what I mean? If you're thinking about moving to Kenya, we have the land to show you.
Yeah, cane.
A cane.
It's
Oh,
young.
I'm not sugar cane that though.
A cane,
Cane,
man.
man, sugar cane.
A sugar cane.
Just young.
Look wild
That's
though.
not sugar cane, God. That is not sugar cane. That's not sugar cane. Just these things that we have in Jamaica.
They're wild. They're wild.
Wild cane. Wild cane.
We normally take it and feed animals.
Yeah, wild.
Yeah.
This is 2 plants.
This one is 2.8.
This one have water?
The water is still have water. Yeah.
Alright.
This house right here, is it this 2 plots or 3?
This is 2 plants.
Oh, 2 plots. Oh, and 2 plots. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, 2 plants.
This one is on 2 plots.
Nice and big though. But what about the
She has
size?
the title deed, so that's important. That the title deed doesn't go through her. She has it directly. This is not bad. How will they do the roads, Mama?
The roads.
Yeah, these roads. How they're going to
You know, they have started doing it. As you can see, they have done it with this whatever. So, the more people are coming, the more like what we do.
Yeah. But there's a lot of empty plots here, right? There's a lot of empty plots.
They are not empty. They all
They all have owner?
they all have owners.
Ah.
It's only that they have not built their houses.
Maybe some not selling, so
As
you have to
you
just
can see,
find.
I'm not here, and I have 5 plots.
Yo, 5 plots. Yeah.
As you can see, I'm here, and
Okay, so 5 plots you have selling, and you just have 2 available now.
this is the title of this one.
So this is the title
Comes with
deed.
the title deed. It's a little bit dark, but it's in her name. So.
Yeah.
But you can look it inside here. You can see it.
There's a show and a shipping container. Yeah, you want a smart home. This is a smart home, you know, so
Yeah, I
you
want to
can.
build a smart home, but I want to use the shipping container. I want to convert it because I want to turn one of the shipping container, 40 foot, into an office studio.
Yeah.
And sort of office studio, guest room / guest room. So and somebody coming to visit. So
Yeah, that's cheap. You just need to get the land, Bridget. Just get the land. You know, land or something.
oh, I am definitely.
You want to get the
I
land,
am
everything is
definitely.
anything is possible. That's something that's not so hard to do.
The goal is to, when you come to Africa, is to own a piece of land. That's the goal. The goal is not to come to Africa to rent an apartment. The
Yeah.
goal is to come here and get a piece of land. So I suggest that everyone who's trying to come to the continent save up some money with the intention to come and invest into the continent and try to come here with the mindset to be free, free from debt. The
Yeah.
goal is to be debt free. So
Yeah.
if you get your piece of land, you build your look of something, you take your time, right? And you build your look of something and you'll be okay and you'll be close to there. When you come to Africa, you're debt free.
Yeah, man, you're debt free.
Because we don't have credit card debts.
Yeah. You're debt free, you live like a bird in
Yes.
a tree. We like free.
Free.
Yeah.
Completely free.
Yeah, family. So if you're searching for freedom, this is the place.
That's it.
Link up with Jam Tours. And you know, let us know, family.
Beautiful view up there, man. Look at
Yeah,
that.
look at that view. Yeah. Yeah, family.
This is my number, you can see. And
You get the number, right? Yeah, I'll get it from you.
She gave me the name of the
Oh, for what?
Looking for any space. I was asking if it's okay, we can look inside to see the space.
The space, okay.
You can wait for you buy. So
Yeah, family. So you see it for yourself. I'm here live and direct, and I'm showing you land, prime land, real land, nature land, you know, farmland. You know, you can have your own backyard farming and stuff. And we're there. We there. And as you can see, guys, material using to build your home is very solid and real. Yeah, it's not cement brick.
From scratch, are you bought it?
The developer built it from scratch, but it's a little bit of custom order, you know?
Okay.
And, they built it out of solid stone.
Yeah, solid stone. Let's go and get the stone and cut it. This is it, family. So it's not like these. Even if storm come, you can't do this nothing.
No.
Yeah.
And you can
Real
have
home.
your own solar system where you are independent, you got your own water, you don't have no mortgage. I mean, you can't beat that.
Stress-free,
Freedom.
debt-free.
Stress-free, debt-free.
Yeah.
Africa mean freedom.
Yes, freedom.
Freedom.
Yeah, family. So you hear that from the expat them come here and them a look for land. So if you're not there, make sure you come and link up with Jam Tours. You know what I mean?
Jam Tours Africa.
Yes.
Not Jam Tours somewhere else. Jam Tours Africa.
Natural food.
Yeah.
Natural food. Food everywhere.
Alright, family. Like, share and comment on this video. I'll show you 2 plots and we have the contact for these 2 people. For this lady who are selling. And there's also others that if you're interested, just link up with Jam Tours. Alright? One love, God bless. I'm out. Let's go.
Be nice, man.
Yeah, family, so we're leaving out. I'm just gonna show you around what the place look like. Yeah, family. So as you can see, guys, we show you some amazing land, you know, for like 2.5, 3 million Kenyan shillings. Before we head to Mega Estate, where we show you like 5 million, 6 million land, family. So, you know what I mean, guys, this is the Kiambu here, family, and this is where I am staying. And I must say to you guys, I really love this area because it's green. And, you know what I mean, and it's nice, guys. It's very fertile. You know what I mean, this is the area where the Mau they used to fight. And a lot of stuff used to go on in this side. So this is actually a freedom fighting land, family. So I really enjoy this, you know, Kiambu is my favorite county in Africa, in Kenya, I should say. So, you know, if I am showing you this and you're inspired, you might really want to come, you know, and live in Kiambu. It's very secure. It's the safest. It's where the UN and everybody is that important in Africa doing business. That's where there is family. So, you know what I mean? And we're showing you the land around here. It's not so far, you know, from where I live now, like 15 minutes, family. So, you know, like, share, and comment on this video, family. I will be continue showing you, you know, what Kenya has to offer and, you know what I mean, how you can picture yourself and see yourself living in Kenya, family. So, you know, we just show you 2 plots and the person is selling, ready and waiting. So if you've been watching this and you're inspired, link up with Jam Tours. We can walk you through the process and take you to the process. As I said, this is a service we don't charge. We actually allow people, you know, to feel comfortable, feel at home, build a nice community for you guys. So when you come, you feel like you're at home. You're with, you know, people from the diaspora who is actually living it up in Africa, and they're not looking to take anything or scam you of anything, family. So, you know, if you've been watching this video, I've been thinking coming, you know, you better link up with Jam Tours to get the information that you need so you won't get scammed. So like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, you know what I mean? And you know what I mean, if you've been thinking about coming, Jam Tours, as you can see, we're showing you these videos live and direct, you know what I mean, unedited, raw, unfiltered, family. So you know what to do. You know what to do. If you've been inspired, you know exactly what to do. So like, share, and comment on this video. We are out. One love from the Jam Tours family. And, you know, go and follow our brother from Jamaica, One Love Africa. Go and follow him on YouTube. Number 1, Love Africa. Go and follow, like, and share. Are we building? Are we building? Are we preaching? Are we teaching? The motherland is the land for Africans. So come back home. Let's build it up. We are here to help. I'm out.